make una dey gentle with una questions. Football no be do or die.
Oga abeg, sit down there make we stone you questions. No be money carry you come Chelsea.
Na him I dey talk now, but no be do or die something.
Oga no dey talk all this one. You never hear say Chelsea fans don dey die of heart attack?
Oya now, make una ask una questions. But if una get suggestion for wetin we fit do for this Chelsea team, make una tell me o, because me sef don tire for the club.
Oga coach, news wey dey reach us talk say the reason why una no invest any money on top new players this past transfer window na because una use the money invest in players for Chelsea. What? Na true?
Who tell you that one?
Na our head of AFCON department relay the information to us from a trusted undisclosed source.
Who tell that your undisclosed source say if we catch am anywhere for Stamford Bridge, we go use stapler take seal him out and him career?
That means na true.
I no get anything to talk for that matter. Na Chelsea internal issue.
Why I dey ask na say I wan be una plug for highly talented and powerful prayer warriors. If dem handle Chelsea case Chelsea go turn title contenders by the end of season.
After this press conference, submit your proposal.
Okay sir, my prayer warriors no go disappoint Chelsea sir.
The money wey una wan use sign prayer warriors, hope say FFP committee don approve am.
E no concern you. If you no get question, comot for here.
Okay, my question na, since una squad now pass £1 billion, why una no go sell some like £250 million own so that una for fit use the money buy better players? Because God, as I dey talk to you now, I get plug wey go use just £50 million come Naija Premier League arrange 22-man squad wey go knack this current Chelsea team black and blue.
The problem na say nobody dey gree buy players from our hand again. Even Saudi Arabia no gree pay £50 million for the whole Chelsea players.
Omo, water and sansan don pass garri for Chelsea matter o.
My guy, na so we say am o. You, wetin be your question?
Omo, I don cancel my question. Na message I get now.
Wetin be the message?
Since Chelsea matter don reach like this, I go like make you go notify Oga Bully say we the Press and Fans Association of Chelsea don decide to start contribution to raise money wey we go use buy the club from am.
If him no gree sell him come.
Na him be say we go come shut Stamford Bridge down.
Na wow.
As una dey aware say dem dey play AFCON, if you feel say you sabi the rhythm of African football, you fit flex your muscle take win better super prizes for inside the 1xBet offer wey dem dey call Hot Streak. Register for 1xBet with our promo code GNEXT. Dem go give you 300% bonus for your first deposit. Go for the Hot Streak promo page, press take part, then bet on top any AFCON game with at least 1,400 naira. You go fire up Hot Streak to take get more tickets. Na im go come fit use win better prizes for inside 1xBet. Read their terms and conditions first, sha, and use your sense take the bet. Good luck.
Na who be that?
Na Van Dijk and Alisson, sir. Dem tell us say you dey call us.
Enter. Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Hope say the announcement wey I make say I dey comot by the end of the season no dey affect you now.
No.
No, sir. Okay. Make una unlock una phone give me. I wan check something. Oya take. I wan make sure say una no dey watch bad influence. Yes, wetin another video dey do for your phone? Kochi na video wey dem post for our group chat o. Who post? For which group chat? Na Casemiro post am for our Brazilian squad group chat o. I swear no be me go find am download. Tell Casemiro say make him no dey post that kind video again because e don dey affect your performance. Okay sir. I no even know why na only you the video come dey affect. Why e no affect Ederson? I dey sure say Ederson delete am sharp sharp, but you carry am dey watch. Oya delete am for your phone joor. Okay sir.
Oga Moyo and Oga Teta, una welcome.
Thank you, Kubala.
My guy.
Kubala, why you no call Sari today? Make I yab am small.
I call am, but him say make I leave am. Him say him dey discipline him boys.
Mumu man, him for come now. Abeg start your show, Joe.
Oga Teta, congratulations on top your win over Liverpool.
Thank you. Na something wey been dey necessary to get back into the title race.
See am. See as he dey laugh.
Why I no go laugh? E dey pepper you.
Kubala, why you even congratulate am? When we know say dem go still bottle am if dem get the opportunity to lift the title.
Omo shun that thing. Last season no be this season o. We dey on a renewed drive to lift that trophy.
Renewed drive for trophyless season. something wey una for just allow Liverpool win so that dem go fit stop that dangerous Guardiola from carrying the team for the 4th consecutive time.
No fear. Now we go stop Guardiola this time. We go win them again for our second leg.
If una win dem ba, my bend. You think say e easy to win Guardiola home and away inside one season? Na only for a select few chosen ones, and you no follow.
No worry. Now me go come use my hand bend you after we win them again.
Make we talk about AFCON. Oga Mourinho, as some Morocco don comot now, who you come dey reason say go fit carry this AFCON?
Morocco fall my hand as dem allow those Amapiano dancers comot dem o. Anyway sha, as dem don comot, I feel say na Ivory Coast go win am.
I dey hear rumors say your bet dey always cut. Now, from this your prediction, I don sabi say na true.
Wetin you mean by that?
People wey be say na luck dem take reach semi-finals. How dem wan take carry am?
Na precisely because of their luck I use talk say na dem go carry am. Dem comot dem from group stage. Na best losers carry dem come back. Dem change coach for middle of tournament. Dem come back from 1 goal down with 10 men. Wetin wan stop dem now? And na their home sef.
Na Naija go stop dem.
Naija wey their keeper shine pass the players for inside match.
No be only their keeper dey shine, na the whole defense dey shine. And by the way, no be you use parking of bus take win Champions League with Inter Milan that year?
No, Naija own no reach. No worry, shey dem go jam that South African keeper wey no dey gree anything enter him post. Even PK, shey dem no dey gree for anybody. We go see first to gree ball enter their post.